as a nurse, I like doing a lot of things, but there's a couple things that I just do not like doing, and so I thought I could talk about them. First things first, QCing glucometers. When I go to check a blood sugar and every single glucometer needs QC'd, I know it only takes a couple minutes to do, but I just, for whatever reason, it feels like the biggest inconvenience of my entire life. Next thing I absolutely despise doing is putting in NG tubes on awake patients. It's not fun for them. It's not fun for me because it's not fun for them. And I just feel so bad doing it. The next thing I don't like doing is talking to family members that are really, really upset and they want to speak to a charge nurse. Sometimes I am the charge nurse that has to speak to these people, and I do it because I know it's necessary, but I am not a confrontational person, and so I have a lot of anxiety going into it, and I'm getting better, but I just don't like doing it. And the last thing, well, there's a lot more things, I'm sure, but the last thing is when I have to do a second bed change because I spilled on the sheets. If I'm changing the bed and the patient accidentally gets them dirty, it is what it is. I'm not really upset about it. But when I personally spill something on the bed because I'm just in a hurry or whatever happens, then I get frustrated because I just made more work for myself. Okay, you have to let me know in the comments what things you just absolutely despise as a nurse.